Happy 4th of July! In this Sweetwater Cakes tutorial, we are going to make an Independence Day cookie pizza. So let's get started and sweeten the world. Let's start by making the sugar cookie. We need butter, sugar, an egg, vanilla extract, almond extract, salt, and flour. I'm starting off by creaming my butter and sugar together. Now this is my favorite sugar cookie recipe. You can find the full directions in the description box down below. Now I'm going to mix in my wet ingredients, add my salt and my flour in 2 different increments so it doesn't make a flour explosion. Since I'm making a giant cookie, I'm just rolling out my dough onto my baking mat, which will be on my cookie sheet. And I'm going to use a circle template, cut around it. I will bake my giant cookie in a 350-degree oven for 10 minutes. I'm using organic strawberries and I want them to be smaller and all about the same size. And now I'm using a fancy knife to hull the strawberries, which is just a fancy way of saying take the stems off. And now I'm going to slice my strawberries into small little strawberry pieces. My cookie has baked and cooled, and now I'm going to spread it with some yummy cream cheese frosting. But of course, any frosting would do. And now comes the fun part. It is time to put on strawberries and blueberries. With our white frosting, we have our red, white, and blue for our Independence Day colors. Have so much fun creating this little festive design. Ta-da! Our cookie masterpiece is done. I had so much fun creating this. Thank you for watching and have a beautiful day. You go sweeten the world.